Hello, my name is Virginie Merrylen. I am a student at the Christian University of Indonesia. My routine as a student who migrates here is that I wake up all at 5 in the morning and do activities by cleaning my room, then preparing breakfast at 20 to 7. And then I leave the boarding house at half past 7, come to campus to conduct lectures at 8 o'clock, and at noon I return to my boarding house for lunch and rest at 2 o'clock. Return to campus to conduct face-to-face lectures until half past 5, and usually at 7 o'clock I buy food for dinner at the boarding house, then I clean myself and I rest listening to music at night, and after that I go to sleep. Thank you.